The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Steve and George's attempt has catastrophically failed. They were both killed within an 80-mile radius. Now, Elmo and Cartman are on their way to other parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. All residents of the world were strongly advised to prepare for the end. We will play our national anthems on the air. And this is the final broadcast of the emergency alert system.